Necrochasm. I still need a Necrochasm. I tried getting the Crux yesterday twice. That was just a waste. Are raids supposed to make you want to die? Or is that just...
AIDS?
AIDS?
AIDS? Yes.
Alright, there we go. Gotta make a quick pit stop to Somalia, aka my kitchen.
Iron Tide. Cheddar Commander. No land beyond Atlantis.
Iron Dad, I've heard of these failures.
Damn.
Iron Tide.
Autobots, roll out.
Read this, or read times.
Wait, what? What?
What?
They're all Titan?
I think 2 strikers and a defender.
Oh.
So I can't use my blade, but I'll just keep it. I'll keep it safe.
Yeah, that's gonna give me AIDS.
In my yellow bar.
Arsenal.
Bravo team.
I'll bring it out another day.
Engage and execute all targets.
Watch, they're gonna put a bow up and lure me in with the blade. And they're gonna Titan smash and say, just kidding.
Hero. Double tapped. Pushing up to C.
Oh shit.
2 shotguns out. Damn.
Gains the lead.
Come on. Got Hawkman out. He's in the container.
Lost
Nice.
the lead.
Just picking up. I'm behind you. Grab my shield. Grab my shield. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Bad. Bad. Bad.
Guardian down.
Whoa! Oh my god, he didn't die till like an hour after I shot him.
I saw that.
Hero. Thorn.
They're in that sniper spot over there on the A-rail.
Got a body into one.
Okay,
Oh
he's
shit, I'm
already
dead. Fucking fine.
You dead? Oh, this kid's so laggy. There's a little no land out. That's kind of cute.
Specs up
I'll
too.
put that away there real quick. I'm grabbing special.
Oh god, yeah, I see him.
Dude. Thorns. For real. My flag.
Let's get 2 shot off.
Damn.
Does shoulder charge like change your direction automatically?
Mm-hmm.
Use it? Like you don't have to turn around? Because he going straight and then did a complete 180.
Guardian down.
And 2 shot by
He
Thorn.
waved at you. He waved at you. And there's one on C.
Oh my god.
Guardian down.
How do I reach these kids?
Guardian
Oh
down.
my, and they come from underneath. Shit.
Until the supers come out. Oh.
Bro.
I'm taking defensive position at rocks.
Yeah. Here they come.
Half health A. In the res.
Oh yeah, I see.
Left,
Worried about.
left, left.
Heavy ammo inbound.
Come on! He punched me and it made my gun go to the top right. Oh my god, these kids. No, they can't win. Like this. We'll give them away if they at least won't be heavy. Bet they will. Maybe they're not sweaty. Nope. Okay.
They're coming to you, they're coming to you, coming to you, coming to you.
Oh,
Guardian
yeah,
down.
he used BTRD. Fuck that. He's half health. Holy shit balls. Nice.
One more in party room. No, he's on C. He's put a bubble up on C. I got Blade. We gotta get him before
Guardian down.
Fuck.
his friends show up. Which is gonna be soon.
There's one on
Oh,
A.
boy.
Shouty.
Oh, nice.
Nah, it's good Blade. I don't know, because he's
MultiTool for the win.
Gains the lead.
They're gonna get res on C. I
Lost
have to
the
get close
lead.
to him because they do have their smashes ready.
You're in the lead.
Except that guy.
Go on B.
Guardian down.
Yep.
Oh.
Fist of Panic. Yeah, you gotta get him. You gotta get him.
Hawkman, party room.
The commander is so full of himself. Jesus Christ.
What?
What a bunch of fags. Oh, okay, you know what?
He waves every time he two shots me.
Yeah.
Double tapped.
Stop caring
Me.
right now.
These motherfuckers, man.
Guardian down.
Oh, they don't take damage. It's teabagging. They're both teabagging.
On me, C. C spawn.
He's on C, he's no shield. Going below C to get res. One of them still has a smash. He's in party room.
Go on C.
Guardian
Come
down.
on, I'm getting team shot like hell. When they trade, so I'm only
Heavy ammo.
two tapping, but I'm getting two different heads each time. So go for it, go for it, go for it. I'm backing you up.
Heavy ammo.
See one bottom heavy. Is there any top heavy?
Yeah,
Sure. I'm
there's one top. Oh, he just
Bubble
popped his
up on it.
bubble on it. Oh, shit.
gonna pull it, I'm gonna pull it. No, he's got it.
Party room.
Guardian
Kill him
down.
while he's out of it. Kill himself.
Yeah, I no-scoped him. And he fucking...
Gonna burn out.
Guardian down.
Spawn.
Fuck. Oh my god, they spawned A too.
Grab me, grab me.
Jesus.
Okay.
One's on mid crate.
Shoot my invincible body. Party room, party room. You're
Guardian
shooting me
down.
behind walls, man.
Only 5 minutes left.
Picking up. They're behind us.
One's yellow.
Down.
Good shit. That's nice. One more.
The lead.
Still downstairs.
Guardian down.
Is he underneath?
He fell way back.
Smash.
Oh shit, here it
He
comes.
missed me.
He's chasing me, asteroid.
I got Blade. You see if he has super? He doesn't. Small.
Yeah, he does.
You just wasted his?
Hmm.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Far out.
You're falling
Pride have
behind.
so many points. So bad.
Dope.
You're in the lead.
Underneath us.
Left, left, left.
They've almost won.
He's half health.
Oh, fucking one more yellow too. Party,
Gained the lead.
just chilling there. He's kind of pushing up, right above you. And let's get snipe.
He dropped down. Another one's trying to drop down.
I spawned away from you guys. One's
Lag! Holy crap! Alright, we won. Did we?
let's
Did
fucking
we?
go, mate.
But oh my god, that was ridiculous. I shouldn't have died there. Oh. Woo!
Good snipe.